Live from Dayton, New Jersey, I'm Rohit Narayanan, and I'm going to show you how Hurricane Sandy has affected the area that I live in. Hurricane Sandy was a Category 1 hurricane, although it had very powerful winds. These winds blew over many utility poles and trees, which left millions without power. Soon, I will show you the Euro 130, where many utility poles have fell to the ground. Luckily, though, the PSCNG workers have been working over their usual hours to fix all of these, to fix all of the utility poles so that the people who lost power can get it back. So, in front of you, you will see the cones marked off for the PSCNG workers. So here's all the damage. As you can see, that utility pole has fell. It was as if it was a game of dominoes. Hurricane Sandy has affected millions of lives here in New Jersey and all across the northeastern coast.